Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson. We need food. Fill in the blanks. We must replace the dash our body loses as sweat, breath or urine. Water. Grow foods like fish, eggs and beans give us dash and dash that help us to grow stronger. Proteins and vitamins. Dash makes food soft and tasty. Cooking. A dash diet includes all kinds of nutrients. Balanced diet. Eating too much junk food can make us fat. Choose the correct answer. Our body can repair injured heart, liver, bones, none of this. Bones. A diet which contains a little bit of all the nutrients and help us to stay healthy is imbalanced diet, good diet, balanced diet, none of this. Balanced diet. Which of the following substances in milk makes our bones and teeth stronger? Vitamin, calcium, fiber, none of this. Calcium. Butter, cheese, oil are healthy foods, fatty foods, tasty foods, all of this. Fatty foods. Fiber helps in breathing, digestion, both, none of this. Digestion. Match the rows. Oranges. Citrus fruit. Proteins. Fish and eggs. Cornflakes, cereals. Fiber. Calcium. Bones and teeth. Wheat. Chapatis. Write true or false. Citrus fruits have calcium in them. False. We must drink a lot of water every day to stay healthy. True. Samosas, pizza and chips are very good for us. False. Fiber helps in digestion. True. Cucumber is a fatty food. False. Answer the following questions. Why do we need food? We need food every day because our body needs energy to keep working. Why should we wash fruits and vegetables before we eat them raw? We must wash fruits and vegetables before we eat them to wash away germs. Why do we need to cook most of our vegetables? We need to cook most of our vegetables because it can be easily digested and it kills the germs in the food. Name 4 of your favorite food items. Name any 4 food items. Okay. What you likes the most. Why should we not eat junk food? Junk food like pizza, noodles, potato wafers, sweet and ice creams can make us fat and unhealthy. That's why we should not eat junk food. Understood? For this we finished our 8th lesson, we need food. Tomorrow we will see 9th lesson, cooking. Thank you.